I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. This week, I'll be doing technical analysis for January 16 to 21, 2022, Gbp Usd, Gbp Jpy, Eur Usd, Euro US dollar Canadian, Bitcoin, Gold, and Ethereum. Hope you benefited from my last technical analysis. Alright, please click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, leave a comment. This will help the video reach more person. Alright, so before we get into it, this technical analysis, I have some trading rules that I normally go through. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. Alright, let's go over to trading view. So right now I'm on the US dollar Canadian and I'm the daily time frame. Okay, so the US dollar Canadian is in a bear trend currently. Alright, so what we are going to be doing, paying close attention to swing levels. Alright, so what we'll be doing is use the known to find the unknown. What is known is that the market break through this area right here at 1.270142, 1.26022, and the market came into this area right here at 1.24438 to 1.23867. So what is expected, the US dollar Canada is expected to pull back into this area right here at 1.26022, 1.27014, and push further down if it respect the pair trend. Now if the market fail to support itself at this level, it will push further up into this area right here at 1.291312, 1.29667. Now if the market respect the bear trend, it will come back into this area right here at 1.24438 to 1.23867 and try to break through and push further down. That's it for the. Let's move down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the US dollar Canadian has made a double bottom. Right, so that is something to take in mind. So if you are an intraday trader, you should pay attention to this area right here at 1.26282, 1.26672. That's it for the US dollar Canadian. Now before I go into the next technical analysis, remember that no trading strategy is 100% effective, so trade at your own risk. Remember to click the thumbs up button because this will help the video reach more person and rank in the YouTube algorithm. Let's move over to the gold. So for the gold, I'm on the daily time frame, and the goal is creating higher highs and higher low, which is it is in a bull trend. So this area right here we are going to use the known to find the unknown. So the gold came into this area right here at 1781.572, 1753.42, and push up into this area right here at 1807.262, 1831.95. So the goal is trying to break through this area and push further up. One key point to note is that this line right here, the goal has break above this line and is pulling back into this area for a retest. That is a good sign that the goal is trying to break through this level and push further up. Let's move down to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the goal has created a area right here at 1810.552, 1801.07. So the goal is expected to pull back into this area. The goal pull back into this area actually at and this week right here and made a test of this area. So the goal can come back into this area once more for another retest and push further up. So if you're a intraday trader, you can look for a bounce from this area to the upside. Now one point to note is that the goal has created 4 top on the 4-hour time frame, which is a sign of reversal. So bear that in mind. So before we move over to the other currency pair, please keep in mind that no trading strategy is 100% effective. So trade at your own risk. Remember to click the thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, leave a comment. That will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Let's move over to the Gbp USD. Now on the daily time frame, the Gbp USD break through the long-standing bear trend line and is moving to the upside. Now the Gbp USD came into this area right here at 1.37492 to 1.38423 and is pulling back. Now the Gbp USD is expected to pull back into this area right here for support at 1.36055 to 1.35313. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the goal has created a. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the Gbp USD has created a double top, which signal a reversal. So the Gbp came into this area right here at 1.36486 to 1.36208, which is a zone. So the Gbp USD is expected to bounce from this area right here and push back into this area for a retest and try to break through. Now if this area fails to support the Gbp USD right here, it will come down into this year at 1.36055 to 1.5313. That's it for the GBP USD. Now before we move over to the other technical analysis, please remember that no trading strategy is 100% effective. Trade at your own risk. Click the thumbs up button, it will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's move on to the Bitcoin. Now on our daily time frame, the Bitcoin is in a bear trend. Please remember to use the known to find the unknown. This area right here is a known. The Bitcoin pushed through this area right here and created a zone at this level right here. And the Bitcoin came into this area right here at 42807.1323948.97 and pull back, which is unknown. So the Bitcoin is expected to pull back into this area right here at 4543.462, 48713.93 and push further down if it respect the bear trend. Now if this area fail to support the Bitcoin, it will push, it will break through and push further up, try to make a reversal. Now let's move down to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin is creating higher highs and higher lows, which simplify a bull trend on the 4-hour time frame. That's a sign that the Bitcoin is trying to make a up move. So if you are an intraday trader, you should pay close attention to this area right here at 4448.66, which is a 4-hour swing level. You should always use the known to find the unknown. This area right here at 41932.20 is also a swing level. Right, so the Bitcoin can break through this level right here and push further up into this level, or push down and try to break through this level right here. But the fact that the Bitcoin is starting a uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, it is expected that the Bitcoin can push through this area right here and push further up into this area. That's it for the Bitcoin. So before we move over to the other technical analysis, please remember that no trading strategies are 100% effective. So trade at your own risk. Please click the subscribe button, press the notification, leave a comment that will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Let's move over to the Gbp Jpy. Right now I'm on the daily time frame. Gbp Jpy is in a bull trend. So it is always good to use the known and find the unknown. The Gbp Jpy has created a double top on the daily time frame, which is an indication that the Gbp Jpy is trying to reverse. So right here at this level, the Gbp Jpy came into 157.69 to 158.314 and is pushing down into this area right here, which is a known at 1.56.0422, 1.54.768. So the GBP Jpy is expected to push through this level if it respect the double top. Now if this era support the GBP Jpy, it will push back into this era right here at 1.57, 157.6902, 158.314. Let's move over to a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, the GBP Jpy has created 5 tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a strong indication that the GBP Jpy is trying to reverse. So the GBP Jpy came into this era right here and made a test of this era and push back into this era right here and made a test of this era. So what you can do right now, based on the 5 tops that the GBP Jpy has created and is gaining price rejection right at this level right here, you can wait for confirmation for a sell trade to the downside. That's it for the GBP Jpy. Now before we move over to the next technical analysis, please remember that no trading strategy is 100% effective, so trade at your own risk. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of my technical analysis. Now let's move over to the Euro USD. Now the Euro USD was in a bear trend and break the bear trend line and is trying to make a reversal. Now the Euro USD was in a range and break out the range. So the Euro USD break above this level right here at 1.143542, 1.14757 and is making a retest of this trend line right here. So it's also advisable to use the known to find the unknown. So this era right here, the Euro USD created a zone at this era right here at 1.13775 to 1.12834 and break above this level. So this era right here have a lot of buy pressure right here in order to break above the level. So chances are if the market come back into this era right here, it will push the market up again because a lot of buy pressure is in this area. This era right here is also regarded as a zone. The market break through this era right here and push the market down. So now the market is coming back into this era and meeting resistance because there is sell pressure in this era right here. Let's move over to the 4-hour time frame. So this era right here, the market is retesting this bear trend line that is broken through. So the market is expected to pull back into this era right here for support and push further up. If it is break into the upside. However, if this era failed to support the Eur Usd at 1.13775 to 1.2834, it will push further down. If you're an intraday trader, you should pay close attention to this area right here at 1.13768 to 1.13544 for a bounce to the upside. That's it for the Euro USD. Before we move over to the next technical analysis, please remember that no trading strategy is 100% effective, so trade at your own risk. Please click the thumbs up button, leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think of my technical analysis. Let's move over to the Ethereum. I'm on my daily time frame. Now the Ethereum is in a bear trend. So it is advisable to use the known and find the unknown. This era right here, the Ethereum created a zone at a swing level at this era right here at 3584.85 to 3907.69 and push further down into this era right here, which is also a swing level at 3173.15 to 2644.36 and is pushing up again. So it is advisable to use the known and find the unknown. So the market is expected to push back into this area right here for a support and retest. Now if this area fails to support the Ethereum, it will push back into this area and try to break further down. Let's move down to our 4-hour time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, the Ethereum came into this area right here and it's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. But for the moment, the Ethereum is targeting this area right here at 3391.90 to 3489.24. So the Ethereum is trying to break through this area right here. So if you're an intraday trader, you should watch this area right here, because if the Ethereum is trying to break to the upside, it will push through this area and come into this area right here at 3584.85 to 3907.69. That's it for the Ethereum. Please remember to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think of my technical analysis. If you have a currency pair you want me to analyze, leave it in the comment section. I have a master course available for sale on trend trading, so send me an email. The email address will be in the description of the video if you are interested. Thanks for watching. See you next week.